this is a product from Five Below. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox it and see. I'm gonna start a series where I start buying Nintendo accessories from Five Below until I get to the highest range of prices, what is 20. So let's start off with this. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna send out a video of me unboxing another one. This is gonna be like more a shorter video because this is not that big of a product. Yeah. For some reason I can't get that. There, I got it. Good thing I'm not going to show on camera yet. There's the USB, and then here's the manual. Yeah, it's pretty simple. There it is. Now it's trying to see if the Joy-Cons actually fit. Oh, sorry for that. See if the Joy-Cons actually fit. Let's see how they fit. Ooh, they fit perfect. Yeah. I'll be back once I get that ready, and yeah, sorry for the cut. In 1, 2, 3. I was trying to see if it actually works. Sorry for that. I'm gonna put my phone down. Get it in there, and then I'll plug it in on camera. Oh, I'm just gonna plug it in. Sorry for the background noises. It's plugged in. The light's on. That's the finishing result of the Joy-Con. I do recommend this. It works. So they're fully charged. If they're off, that means fully charged. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed. This has been 4 Shots. Peace.